out some more flowers to go with the sunflowers, and I thought these would be really cute because they have orange. Now we're going to go get some gourds. So I like to get a variety of colors and shapes. I like these. We'll put these in. And maybe one of those and one of these. So these are some organic squashes. We have a butternut squash, we have acorn squash, spaghetti squash. All of these have really pretty fall colors, and what I love about them is when you're done using them on your table, you can actually bake them or make soup out of them. So it's really fun. So I'm going to get one of each. Kind of a medium size, and the spaghetti squash, there's two of us, and this is just about what this is about the right size. Oh my gosh. This is the acorn squash I want. Nice big fat one. So, one more thing. We'll be done. Because I don't really see corn. I just need some little pumpkins. We'll get one more orange. All done. So Patrick and I just got back from the store, and I put everything on the table, and I am going to teach Patrick how to make a centerpiece.
And I'm an excellent student, so this is going to be fast.
All right. Okay, first off, start off with the flowers, and just take any flower you want and start putting them in the vase one at a time, or two at a time, whatever.
One at a time?
Or two.
Okay, not three. One or two,
No.
not three.
And just do a really random arrangement. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just going for lots of color.
Perfect.
But you need to put all of them in there.
Oh.
Sweetheart.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Not so random.
Yeah.
Don't help the student here.
Good job.
Well, I don't know that it's all going to fit. Okay.
Oh, try to make it fit, because it's awesome.
I know.
There you go. Okay, done. And now we'll just get this little cloth out of the way. And you're going to take that little scarecrow over there and have him sit in front.
Okay.
And stretch his little legs out. This is from the dollar store. I already had it. And the candles, the other stuff we got at the grocery store. How's he look?
It looks perfect.
All right. Now you're going to start arranging the squash and the gourds all around the scarecrow and the sides of the flowers.
Okay, I don't know what a gourd is, but I'll just move stuff around.
Yeah, I'm going to get the candles out of the way. These candles were from the dollar store, by the way, too. We had them. Good job.
I know.
You're doing perfect.
Is that a gourd?
That's a squash.
Okay.
It can go in the back. You can put that in the back if you want.
No, I don't want it in the back.
Okay, just be careful.
Glass table.
And now the candles. Here, I'll put one down and you do the rest.
Is this a fire hazard
anywhere.
here?
No.
Okay, especially not around the scarecrow, huh?
They're okay, they're in glass. I put one by the scarecrow. You can kind of go around and see where you think it, yeah, that's good.
Okay,
And one more.
here's one. That's what
There you go, yay, we're almost finished. Here you go. Light the candles and we'll be done. So you can see how easy this was. Even your husband can do it, or your boyfriend. Certainly you can do it. Here. Oopsie. And we both are psyched now for Halloween. We have lots of trick-or-treaters, so we have to get ready every year, both for ourselves and for the neighbors. What do you think? Take a look at your work.
I think it's a masterpiece.
Me too.
Very good, very good.
Happy Halloween, you guys.
Happy Halloween.
Thank you. Bye. Good job.
Okay.
Let me take a look at it. Oh, honey, it's perfect. It is so good.